Hey everyone, welcome back to GR Mindset Hub. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions of Americans, the middle-class financial trap. If you've ever felt like you're working hard but never getting ahead, this video is for you. We'll explore why so many middle-class families struggle to break free financially, and more importantly, how you can escape this cycle. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you find this video helpful. Let's get started. Section 1. What is the middle-class financial trap? Middle-class definition: financial trap, paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. The term middle class often brings to mind the American dream. A comfortable home, a stable job, maybe a family SUV in the driveway. But what many people don't realize is that being middle class often means living paycheck to paycheck, with little room for unexpected expenses or opportunities for investment. Studies show that more than 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning over $100,000 a year. The middle-class financial trap isn't just about low income. It's about being stuck in a cycle of debt, expenses, and limited savings. But why does this happen? Most middle-class families find themselves stuck in a cycle of expenses: mortgages, student loans, car payments, and everyday living costs that leave little room for building wealth. They think they're doing everything right, working hard, saving a little, buying a home, but they're actually just treading water. It's a vicious cycle that keeps them from reaching true financial freedom. Section 2. Why is it so hard to break free? Financial struggles, rising costs in the USA, middle-class debt, inflation effects. So, why is it so difficult to escape the middle-class financial trap? Well, a big reason is lifestyle inflation. When people earn more, they often spend more. Instead of using a raise or bonus to invest or save, they upgrade their car, get a bigger home, or take more expensive vacations. This makes it tough to save money or invest in opportunities that could generate long-term wealth. Another issue is the rising cost of living in the United States. From housing and healthcare to education costs, everything is getting more expensive. This puts a strain on the middle class, making it even harder to save. For example, the average college tuition has increased by over 300% in the last few decades. And let's not forget about credit card debt, which is a reality for many families. In 2023, the average American household had over $6,000 in credit card debt. Section 3. How to escape the middle-class trap: financial freedom, build wealth, investment strategies, saving tips, how to escape debt. Now that we've identified the problem, let's focus on solutions. Here are 5 key strategies that can help you escape the middle-class financial trap and start building real wealth. Invest in assets, not liabilities. One of the biggest mistakes people make is buying things that lose value over time: cars, expensive gadgets, or even homes that are too costly to maintain. Instead, focus on investing in assets that appreciate in value, such as stocks, real estate, or even starting a small business. This is a key principle from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a book that has helped many people change their perspective on money. Build a solid emergency fund. Having a safety net can make a huge difference when unexpected expenses come up. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This way, you won't need to rely on credit cards or loans when life throws you a curveball. Prioritize debt repayment. Debt is like a financial anchor that keeps you stuck in place. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, like credit cards, and then tackle other loans like student or auto loans. Consider using methods like the debt snowball or debt avalanche to stay motivated and track your progress. Automate your savings and investments. One of the easiest ways to build wealth over time is to make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment accounts each month. This takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures that you're consistently putting money away. Focus on increasing your income. Lastly, don't just think about cutting expenses. Focus on increasing your income. Whether it's asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in skills that can boost your earning potential, having more income gives you more options. Remember, building wealth is not just about how much you save, but also how much you earn and invest. Think about it. If you had learned about compounding interest, investing in index funds, or building passive income streams when you were 18, where would you be today? The lack of knowledge isn't your fault, but staying in the dark will be if you don't start learning now. So what can you do to break free from the middle-class trap? It starts with a mindset shift. Don't just focus on earning more, focus on keeping more of what you earn. Live below your means, invest early, and pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. It won't be easy, but it's worth it. Let's break this down into some actionable steps. Budget like a pro. Track every dollar coming in and going out. Make sure you know where your money is going. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer into a savings or investment account every month. Pay yourself first. Kill the debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first. Use the snowball method. Start with the smallest debt and work your way up. Invest, invest, invest. Don't wait to start investing, even if it's a small amount. Time in the market beats timing the market. Avoid lifestyle creep. As your income rises, keep your living expenses the same for as long as possible. But here's the bottom line. Escaping the middle-class trap isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about the ability to make choices without worrying if your bank account can handle it. It's about knowing that your future is secure, no matter what happens to the economy or the job market. And that, my friends, is the real American dream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment down below. Tell us your thoughts. What's been your biggest challenge in breaking free from the middle-class mindset? Let's start a conversation. Because the first step to change is awareness. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Because here at GR Mindset Hub, we're all about helping you achieve the life you deserve. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're closer to financial freedom than you think. See you in the next video.